Igongona ria kugira uhoro uria wari mia wa mbere mundu muiru mucini munene wa Nairobi rihurirwo cabi ni kanitha wa ACK utongoretio ni muthikabu munene wa kanitha uyu Murang'a ya Muhuro Julius Karanu. Ndomereri-ini yake mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta ni acakaite mutigaire rufia ta mutongoria we kuraine hari kuhuranira wiathi wa ciama nyingi, akiuga angikorwo atongoria no moe mwerekera uria njamba ici cioete bururi uyu no ukinyukie makinya ma bata.
If only half of us as Kenyans, not even half, 10% emulated what this old man stood for, Kenya would be a totally different country.
Gavana wa Murang'a Mwangi wa Iria mwena-ini wake akigathiriria mutongoria wa bururi na kuga muoroto wake ni mwega wa kunyitithania bururi kuhetukira riboti ya BBI, uge uria unyitetwo mbaru ni seneta wa Siaya James Orengo na uria uthomire ndumiriri ya mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga uria hamwe na munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto mategwikinyitie.
We now have a regime which is initiating change. Because the president, out of no push, he has put in front of Kenyans some constitutional proposals.
This opportunity that you offered us, let's seize it. This is what has made Kenya a different country. Anytime we are about to fall, we always come together and talk as a nation. And the time is now. And Kenya is bigger than all of us.
Mubunge wa Kandara Alice Muthoni Wahome nake neugite hari bata wiathi ukorwo ukigitirwo kuona gutire mundu kana mutongoria ungienda bururi uyu ucoke haria wari miaka-ini ya 1990.
However, it is important the fear of the 90s does not clip into this particular era. I'm saying there are people who are starting to say there are threats, there are calls, there are what. I think, Your Excellency, that cannot and should never be your legacy. And I think Rubia would want us to protect the space and democracy that was acquired through the multi-party democracy.
Seneta wa Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata no rio koretwo ari wakiri wa rufia na mubunge wa gicigo gia Kandara Alice Wahome ni macakaite gutiganirio kwa njamba ta rufia. Kang'ata akiuga ta cira wa rufia wa gwetha kihoto arakuire utare warika o kuma mwaka wa 2012.
The judiciary of the Republic of Kenya. And the reason is, I filed this case way back in the year 2012, Your Excellency. I have been going to court faithfully. I have been, in fact, when you look at the program, you will see the last page. I'm with him immediately. We are from the court. And one thing I realized is that we need reforms in the judiciary.
I think, Your Excellency, you could bring a proposal as the head of state, the head of government, legislative proposal that can actually be utilized by Parliament, where we enact a legislation to deal with the issues that have been raised by people like Kahara, people like Kibe here, for compensation, not just for Rubia, but for many others that fought for the second liberation.
Thutha ucio mwiri wa Charles Wanyoike rufia uhurukirio gwake mucii mwena wa Gitura haria ni itena inini kuma cukuru-ini uyu wa muthingi wa Karigo-ini kuri igongona riri rigutafanagirio. Ngiribotera Njata TV kuma Karigo-ini Kandara kaunti-ini ya Murang'a ni Kanyoro wa Wanjiru.